Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see one of the important concept, that is concentric and eccentric contraction of the muscle. So we'll take the example of quadriceps muscles which do work of knee extension. So we'll see the concentric and eccentric contraction of the quadriceps. So this is Sagar, currently pursuing final year at Nair Hospital, who is going to be model today. So as we all know, concentric muscle contraction is basically shortening of the muscle fibers. So these are quadriceps muscles which do function of knee extension. So shortening of muscle fibers means concentric contraction, and lengthening of muscle fibers means eccentric contraction. So this is 1 kg weight. So we'll ask Sagar to extend the knee actively. So do extension. Yes. So in this process, the muscle fiber shortens in this position, in this extension. This is concentric contraction of the quadriceps muscles, or else you can say the muscle force overcomes the resistance. Means the direction of resistance in downward direction and direction of contraction in upward direction. So both are in opposite direction. So muscle overcomes the resistance means concentric contraction. Now we'll see eccentric contraction. So we'll ask Sagar to do flexion from terminal extension. So do flexion of knee. So this is eccentric contraction, means lengthening of quadriceps muscles. Basically what happens here, so resistance overcomes the muscle force. That's why knee is going downward, down, slow. So this is eccentric contraction or lengthening of quadriceps. So in this process, the resistance is in downward direction towards the gravity. Also the muscle is stretching in downward direction. So both directions are in same direction. So this is the concept behind eccentric contraction. So I hope you understand this concept very well, concentric and eccentric muscle contraction. We'll see more examples in upcoming videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe and
share.
yes.